Yes, welcome back to the program now. As it is hot and on today's matter, what they look? Will they look and let there be light in Nigeria? That is for Obodo, Nigeria. And they will get August Sunday Oduton, will be the executive director of Association of Nigeria Electricity Distribution. In the address our questions. And very, very soon, and we'll open our phone line so at least our viewers go feed waiting. Go also feel calling and ask questions that is where they feel say they feel ask concerning the power sector and make them ask them because we get our own experts who go feed waiting answer on our question. So August Sunday, you be the talk, you be the address one particular matter. Before you will go for that break, and then maybe Chukwudi come talk say okay, make we come up with the questions, make we fire the questions as we. Chukwudi, what was that question you be the ask? You don't address that particular one.
Make we drop this one like this now, coming from this particular angle now. Now we get people where they don't lose faith in the system. Say light, now just now scam for people when the government. Because basically, then they control these things. And for several years, we don't get power ministers, get everybody. But it be like, say, we don't even they choke myself. It be like, say, we don't even they go anywhere at all. Now, me I can come from this particular angle now. We don't read for papers, say, people when the government, state government, federal government, soldier, police, them too, they owe light money. And if we check the statistics, around 31 billion naira since we now come for 2013. They say now around 93 billion. Now in government, federal, state, soldier, police, they owe this power money. Now if people when the government, when say they work,
they lead by example.
When one work medicine, they okay, then they owe 93 billion. What about the ordinary Nigerian? When even as soon could be they don't cost tomato don't scarce, fuel na 145 naira per liter, 5,000 we no see collect. We shall. Budget is still shaking. Everything is upside down. What thing una they do to use ensure say government in itself when suppose set example when come the owe money, then come back to that thing talk say they don't begin to do wetin dey right. I mean now we una get power for una no get power.
Oh, now we go pay their own bill.
Now they pay their own bill. Now you go answer am.
You know they pay their bill for them. No be so at all. But you see where I want from you, you say make you help me beg the federal government, state government.
Now we go beg them.
And they beg you to say make you beg them.
And in the year, who is asking
them
to
pay their bill. Particularly Nigerian Army, Ikeja Cantonment, Ojo Cantonment, NDA for Kaduna, all the military barracks.
Now we go beg those.
You and I go take note. Take note. As we mention the bias, take note. I will back you up.
I'm a Janko, you are a disco.
No, you can't be a Janko. Why are they a disco?
Especially Nigerian military.
You are the disco.
No, who could be beggar?
What do you?
Why are you afraid?
Are you afraid too?
No, you beg one.
Why not the responsibility?
Okay, let me beg federal government. You beg.
No, I'll beg federal government.
You can't beg federal government.
Position to beg federal government.
You
beg them.
I want to beg federal government. You beg them.
I'm not being a claim saying.
Are you not fighting for Nigeria?
I'm not being claim saying.
Are you not fighting for Nigeria?
For me, so you get training. It is your responsibility. So that training will get utilize and make you
not training, no concern this one.
I
don't have training in begging. I don't have training in begging.
Okay.
I have training in defense.
Make you answer a question now.
Yeah. The answer will be say, make you help me beg them, say, make them pay their bill. If they pay the thing where they owe, go get money buy meter, go get money fix your transformer. We get money, buy more electricity if they generate more. And the thing about generation, I don't talk and say, for we distributor, we can only give you what we have. If they don't generate and transmit to us, what I go give you? I not be producer of electricity. I told distributor I did a bit. So, but debt is a problem. And for people, our people self, they need to pay. Then they bypass, then they steal everything. It be like we have a culture of non-payment. We are used to free thing.
Okay, so that big. May I quickly ask this question? Because this one is very, very important. How independent is the power sector? Or rather, how independent una dey? Because if una get a particular area, like just as you mentioned, say the military, some of this know they pay. So una no get the right to say, okay, if una know they pay. See the step we go take, we go shut that down. We don't go give na light. If na say na this, may na carry us go court or make we carry na go court. Now if we take such decision.
We don't start that.
Okay.
We don't begin do that. We did that for Kaduna, Sanford in the last 2 weeks, and we go to do them all over the country.
Okay.
You see what they do before? They say they beat us up. Now so that they beat us with Blala. In Abeokuta, there's a place that they call Alamala Artillery Brigade. About 2.5 months ago, one major led the soldier because they don't get light. They just went to our control room. They got there and they beat the man up like hell. That one a culture of impunity. Then they still behave as if to say we still.
But what did I do to this guy? What they do? They not take any step.
We reported them to the Oga, but nothing has been done till now. So the thing where you need to understand is say
what will happen to you, not me.
all of us are in it together. If some people know they pay, we no go get enough money pay for the rest wey they buy. If we no pay the people where they generate, then we get no money to generate more. Simple. And if the people where they bomb gas pipeline for Niger Delta, if they no stop, and paper they give it all these big headline, Niger Delta Avenger, it get talk with federal government, all those things, we are doing ourselves. Now so we no go get light. So all of us, for the economy to be good, we need to join hands together, beg the Avenger to stop avenging, to stop bombing those gas pipelines, so that gas will go to the power station, then will then generate more power. If they know they do that, you know we'll get any power to distribute to you.
Very true.
That's why the thing be saying in your area, you know we'll get light. It'll be our fault. We won't give you light because if I give you light, I will collect money from you.
Exactly.
So if I don't give you light, how can I collect enough money from you?
Barrister, make I come from this angle. Now, you get what they call national grid.
Yes.
And if we check the megawatts of Nigeria since we small, they go
never
up, they come down, they go up, they come down.
Change.
But it never ever go up past 5,000 megawatts. I want to ask, will they consider alternative sources of energy?
They don't do that now.
They don't do that one now.
They don't start doing, and the thing will take time. For instance, for Kano and Jigawa, the current minister don't start the idea of solar energy.
Solar, okay.
The current minister don't they do good job. Inshallah them, man they do a lot of good job. One of the things where the man they do be say, he talk say we should have what we call incremental power. Little bit of increase. So by the time we have,
we'll collect everything together. It will be very huge.
But we need to be patient because it be like say the thing will take a bit of time. You know, go start building power station.
You no go happen overnight.
Overnight,
No,
yes.
power station, you no go build them like you are building a bungalow. When you start the thing now, it take some time for it to be completed. Just like refinery. You won't start today and complete next year. So that's the thing. With time, we'll get more. For now, we don't get enough. And so you say you don't get enough light for your house. If I don't talk about mess, I say if you have 20 children and the food wait there for home, it's only enough for 4 children. Be like say 16 children go wait in the morning, 4 children go eat. In the afternoon, another 4 go eat. In the evening, another 4 go eat. That means say some people no go eat even for that day. They go wait till tomorrow morning. It no day enough.
But then apart from solar, we don't mention. I also
Solar,
believe
waste, coal,
because every other state gets
and more hydro.
Yeah.
Mambila power projects.
Yes.
They do them now. They won't finish the thing. If they finish the thing, go give us more megawatts.
But Barrister, make I bring out from this angle. Even for inside our law, I recall, say, former governor, will be power minister now,
He be one, yes.
If you go our general hospitals, if you go state houses, we dey generate power by ourselves. But even for inside law book, they write and say, if you reach this particular level, you must send them, go to the national grid. Shey no be say some of all these small things go act as stumbling block to the greater work wey be say you don testify here say in dey do. Because if this state generate, this one generate, that one generate, and they still need to send them go national grid. When they always they go up, they come down like Jangilova.
My own advice be say, we better change the law.
Thank you, Nkubi. Tell your people.
We go allow state government, even local government, generate its own power. And then the disco in that area, they go partner together. Then they do what we call willing seller and willing buyer. But the line they talk about, we call them embedded generation. That is to say, generation waiting for a small area. The cost of that tariff is higher than normal one from the grid. Be like your generator at home. The bigger the generator, the less the cost of running it. So the thing is a good thing if we can allow more generation. everywhere, pocket of generation.
But the freedom, okay, but you don't mention this thing. You don't mention like a few states now. You say
if you talk about independence, we are all interdependent
exactly.
on each other. There's no way you go exist without the other one.
Yes, that one didn't.
This could rely on transmission to get power. Transmission rely on generation company to get power. Now all of us day together, we go to work together. None of us can stand alone. And the three of us we go to depend on each other. That's the way the thing they work.
Now they work pari passu. Yes. Quick question. It be like say for some areas the people don't already come tire reach the level where we say they can't take them upon themselves to turn their own government. We don't hear of people for community where we say transformer blow. They go carry paper. Wire cut. Thank you who we say it.
Do it now. Do we say?
They will carry paper and buy road.
People
they go around the whole compound. They collect for 500, 1,000.
They pay for bill. They pay for bill. Normally, cost demand that if something is spoiled,
the people
supposed to do it. Fix it. Why don't you say now the responsibility of the people go come they pay for it?
On that one, me I dey beg. I beg, me I go beg you. The thing be say, we should normally do all those things for you. But if I dey sell power, I no dey get the money back, where will I get the money to do all of those things? Now my duty to do it. But I don't get money because when I send money, 3 billion worth of electricity to your community, now 1 billion but then they don't steal the 2 billion or they refuse to pay. So it's a vicious cycle. If I don't get enough money when I sell, I go get money to do repairs. I know they give excuse though. Because they explain to you, say the thing all of us go work together.
We get one of our regular caller, that's Oga Bobby, all the way from Amsterdam. Good morning, Oga Bobby.
Good morning for the studio.
Good morning.
I think which day I call when I talk about
now last week
for my place when they give me money.
Now last week.
Where you say they pay you for the one waiting for
light when they know you inform you before they take
about.
Okay. So I want to ask that our bros when they there.
Okay.
Can they do that? Because you know can you Nigeria, those companies where the Nigeria are dead now, can they do the same thing? Because they take light anyhow for Nigeria, where we say people know they would expect. Can they do that?
Bobby.
Compensate people for what they do wrong.
Oga Bobby, may I go tell you the truth? You dey live for Amsterdam.
Yes.
And I like that one because the thing be say you dey live for a country that we call developed country. Me, I don't live for London for 26 years.
So you dey call Nigeria, say Nigeria never developed. Now what you
Nigeria is a developing country. Let me explain. Okay. That's the fact. There are some things where you can do for Amsterdam. You can never do it for Lagos, unless we deceive ourselves. The people for Amsterdam, they know they steal electricity, they know they bypass their meter, then go jail. The people for Lagos, they know go Port Harcourt, Kano, Yola, Ilorin, Ibadan, then they steal energy for here, and they bypass them, and they give bribe to what they call NEPA staff, disco staff. So if you look at the two together, you see that we talk of two different systems. But we'll get to that point. For instance, now, some years ago, corruption is a good thing. When my brother steal money for government, we go hail him for my village, we go give him chieftaincy title. Nobody go out for the money. What is happening today now? They start asking them, say, oh, God, make una pay the money back. They take them to court. Now, gradual process. We go get to a point where we say, if we don't tell you, say we are taking your light, we'll pay you compensation. That is why I talk earlier, say, the power reform process in Nigeria is a long journey. We just started the journey 2.5 years ago. Okay, Bobby, for Amsterdam, the journey we don't start for more than 100 years ago. So you don't go compare a 100-year-old man with a 2.5-year-old man. And I want to tell you something, say, for those of us where they live abroad, the way we start in London or Amsterdam, when you drive, Amsterdam, you get plenty bicycle riders. But I don't go to Amsterdam many times in the last 30 years. And in Amsterdam, when you get to a pedestrian crossing and you are driving, you have to wait. Come to Lagos, even on Adeola Odeku this morning, I can't see people, they go through pedestrian crossing without waiting for people. Even people where they live abroad before, the way when they get to Murtala Mohammed like that, the thing where they no go do for Germany, for Amsterdam, for America, for London, they go do am here. The thing be say we this color, they get problem. So make we not compare Amsterdam with Nigeria.
My brother, that is where you make a mistake. You understand me now? Fear, let me tell you, fear not going to let me drive for Nigeria. You dey hear me? Because the way people drive for Nigeria,
that you now.
That listen, no person will stay abroad when we come back to the country, when we come back to Nigeria, I think we call they misbehave, like the way you put that. Now few people go do that one. Out of 100, I would say it's 10% of it.
Yes, I agree with you, but those 10%, why are those 10% do that?
Most people I know, when they come back to Nigeria, the same complaint when they complain to you, and they say they complain. Then go back to the light matter. My brother, they Delta State for Ugele there. The area now, the meter blow. Now, I mean, they bring meter come. They tell they say, me they go use their own, me they contribute money to buy meter. So, how you call that one? Light when meter blow. Now, the people when they stay the area go contribute money to buy meter. Is that fair? For you when they sell light, they give them. Then they will go buy meter for their own with their own money. So you go deduct and come up for their bill every month.
Oga Bobby, thank you very much. We don't get all your questions, and then you go stand by as Oga, our guest, go do it. Go address this particular question you don't ask. So Oga Sunday, you hear what this person talk, Oga Bobby, but pertaining to in a sort of way, you say you don't address anyway. You don't talk and say, look, say we understand, say some of this responsibility. Say now we suppose they do it, but then because of how things they be, say some people know they agree pay, and the power they beyond now. That's why they beg. At least to make their things, make they also help. So we get that part of this thing. So now we think at least that one don't answer Oga Bobby question.
Oga Barrister Sunday, make I ask this particular question now. If we check the situation, like you talk, say if you see Amsterdam or something when we say over years it don't happen. If we see Nigeria, we they start. Make we look the direction when they go. From the level when we dey now, from the small we don't start. It be like saying the next 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, when we get the opportunity to discuss this matter again, now from this particular angle, we're going to talk from, or we're going to talk from, say, yes, like the example when you give, Kano, Jigawa State, they look for alternative sources, coal, waste, and the rest of them. See the level where we don't do. Because for Nigeria, it just be like, say, we get starting. When we start something, we know they even they review. I'm talking of to contact say we won't get finishing. How we go take fit, enforce that culture of say we start well, we review what we don't start, we end well, or we reach the goal or the target.
Continue to do for the system.
The way forward is that any good thing where any government they do, whether state government or federal government, whenever any new government come to power, please continue the good thing where the last one they do. That's number one. Number two, make we all take all this cocoa away there for our eyes. We dey too greedy too much. Now because we be thief. Now the reason why we dey change everything, we dey want do our own. One government go come. One governor will go say better life for rural women. Another one go come, go give them another name. Go look inside that thing underneath. Now money they collect everywhere. So the problem we have is say we dey greedy. We all need to take that one away from our eyes.
Very true.
Then when we sit down here in 5 years' time, we dey talk about a better Nigerian power system.
Very true. Okay, make we talk, say people do what we are supposed to do. On the part of the government, waiting be their own responsibility.
Maybe they also need to lead by example as well.
Watch what the government they do.
Okay.
We should always call the government to account. We should always be honest with the government. We should not be playing politics with everything. Whenever they do anything good, we should say, well done, you don't do them well. Whenever they do anything bad, even if not your brother, you talk, say, because I be Yoruba, then fashionably know they do wrong. Or because I be Igbo, you get a perfect person. Or because I be Hausa, anything where Hausa man, Abubakar do, not the right thing. We should all put Nigeria first. To me, our issue be say, all of us should learn to work together so that we go make Nigeria better than what we found it. The idea of us wanting to make money from everything we do, collect money small. All those bribes we take or give, those things they spoil the system. If one NEPA man, as you call them, Najisco, if they bring your bill, 5,000, instead of giving the man 500 naira bribe, if now 500 you have, go and pay that 500 into your account and try to settle the remaining one before the end of the month so that the next one coming, you know, go out to that one. But what they do, we go give them bribe to help us do my good.
But then, well, quickly, on the issue of the same bribe thing, from our own angle, no say some of these tips, they entice some of their people. Wouldn't be that same thing when I don't also put some ground to ensure at least, like more like an enlightening progress. Okay, this thing, this is the job you have taken up. This is the responsibility. Either they give you bribe, no collect, and all that. Because at the in-house, not supposed to find solutions.
We don't teach them all that. We don't do a lot of orientation for them. But the thing where you should understand, we say, this staff are Nigerian people, like me and you. Now, you go where they all have. If I be your boss, I don't go follow you to where they collect, give them bill. But if our customer, they see that kind of thing, and they report them, then we go show the get person the way out. We go start them, and they will know. Okay. That's why I say we cannot do it alone. Not be only this co or Genco or transmission will go make the power matter better. The power matter and Nigeria power matter and Nigeria power. And the idea of all they complain. Have we played our own role? We know they play our own role. Now chief, will they do? So the thing where even we, distribution company, we know they do enough. Sometimes we just take it for granted. That's no good. We should be telling you, okay, we'll go take light tomorrow. Or when the light goes off on its own, sometimes we know they take light, the light just go. We should inform you and say, sorry, we get fault, we're trying to do it, or your transformer blow. We tell you, we don't have a stock, we'll try and buy next week or two. We should give you time. I explain things to you. So the thing where they say, all of us need to work more together. Me, I don't come here to say, this could Angel, Genco, they good, transmission, they good. But Nigerian people go themselves. They too need to play their own role. That's the thing where I say. Especially the issue of non-payment. People don't like paying bill. Go back to your street or your estate. Ask them to bring out their NEPA bill. You will see that a lot of them don't pay their bill. And when they pay, they only pay 40%.
Very, very true.
5,000 bill, they go pay 1,000 or 2,000. Maximum 2,000. Who go pay for that 3,000?
Barrister, this question when you use NDAM, that's something when they're very, very important. Like you don't talk. It's very important as Nigerians make we do everything we do to use ensure say we contribute our own quota, no matter how small, to the development of that bigger project. If we must get light for inside this country and address the problems when we say for several years, if we like say we no see solution, we go play our own role. The people, the Genco, the Disco, government them also. And those when we say they when don't owe reach 93 billion, it go good make una set example. Try see us una go take sort that money. I dey very, very sure say if I try and go give Nkubi, he go appeal to una because now the work when we say we don't decide say we'll give him on top of Acid the Hot. Barrister Sunday, thank you very much for coming on top of Acid the Hot. Make we shake your hand.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very, very much. Till tomorrow we'll go meet again with another Ogbonge. That is the second edition of our program.
Beg the people when they say you beg now.
Who they beg now?
I've been to them.
We don't beg them before now.
Why they beg them?
Me, no, beg them again.
Would they beg una? Una know na self.
Who is
know na self? Would they beg una? Me na pay na money 90-something billion naira. I mean, what is that? Una know.
Your phone number is everywhere.
Your phone number.